Hello, and welcome to the Pollinate video tutorial. My name is Bailey Metz, and today I'll be explaining all about the Pollinate website and how it works. To access the website, go to your URL search bar and type in pollinate-usc.herokuapp.com. You'll first be greeted by the home page, which has the nav bar at the top, popular deals, and then recent deals, which are sorted from most recent to least recent. On the nav bar, we have a button for the home page itself, categories, which will sort the items by their respective categories, tutorial, which will bring you to this video and some other information, about, which will tell you more about those of us that created the website, a search bar, and a login and sign up button. So the first thing we want to do is create a new account. To do that, we click on sign up. For name, we'll enter our name, email address, password we'll use test, location we'll say Columbia, South Carolina. For the biography, we have a rich text editor to customize your biography to your liking. For this biography, we'll just write, "This is a test biography," and we'll italicize it. The last step is to add a profile image, which uses a URL. I have one pulled up from the university right here, so I will copy image address, paste it in right there. If we click submit, our profile has now been created and we can sign in. Using our email and password, click submit. Now we are signed in. As you can see, things look relatively similar to before, but now there is a post a deal and log out button where there used to be sign up and log in. So the next thing we want to do is post a deal. We want to post a new item. Click on post a deal. This will bring you to the create a new post page. I have pulled up a rain jacket from the Eddie Bauer website that is on sale right now, so we'll use this item as our new item. For title, we'll use the title listed on the website. For price, we see it's on sale for $83.32. Image URL, this will be the image that shows up on the Pollinate website. So let's click on the picture of the jacket, copy image address, paste it in there. A link to the post, take the URL from the website, paste it in there. The description box also utilizes the rich text editor. In this case, we'll use the product details listed for the item. Paste that in there. And since the Eddie Bauer website has bullet points for the description, we'll add those as well. Spacing should be correct now. For category, we'll select apparel since this is a jacket. On the website, I don't see a deal expiration date anywhere, so we'll just set it to 4 days. Click submit. As you can see, under recent deals, our most recent deal has been posted. We can see it right here. If we click on it, we can see all the information we just posted. The expiration date is at the bottom in bold, price. You also have the See Deal button where you can access the website to purchase the item, as well as Edit Deal and Delete. Now these two buttons right here are only available to the user that posted the item. These are not available to other users. There's also a section for comments underneath the item. Popular posts are listed on the right side. We'll go into more detail about those in a minute. Now let's say we want to make a change, a small change to the item. We want to change this title, take it out of all caps. Well, we can do that. All we need to do is click on Edit Deal, go to the title, Men's Lightweight Rain Jacket. Click Submit. As you can see, our title has now been updated. Everything else remains the same because we made no other changes. Perfect. Let's say we want to add a comment. We'll say, "This is a great jacket." And make it bold. Post comment. As you can see, here's our comment with a link to our profile, a reply button for inline replies, and our profile image, as well as the date and time the comment was posted. So let's talk a little bit more about comments. Let's see. As you can see here, this item has some comments on it previously posted. If we want to reply to someone directly, let's say we want to reply to this user right here, we just click reply. And click post. As you can see, here's our newest post, date and time, and we tag that user in the post. So I'll explain how Popular Deals works. Each one of these items is ranked by the number of stars or upvotes that it has. So you can see the Bob Ross painting has 7, the basketball has 5, the laptop has 4, and the Harry Potter book has 3. When you are looking at another item, the popular posts are listed here. Now, as you can see, there's a watch down here because popular posts on as a sidebar on a items page can show more items than it can on the regular homepage. If more than one item has the same number of stars as another item, then the algorithm switches between various items that have the same score. Now let's talk about categories. If you want to sort the website by a certain category, let's say technology, you can see the tag changes to technology, and all the posts listed have the technology category. If we change it to apparel, we'll see our post because it was an apparel post, as well as other apparel posted by other users. Last but not least, the search bar. For looking for a particular item on the website, we can easily locate it by just typing in the title. Let's say I want to look for this Apple dongle. If I type in Apple, enter, you'll see search deals comes up, and here's the only item with Apple in the title. So we can click on that deal. You'll notice also on this item there's no edit deal or delete button because we didn't post it, but we can see the deal and purchase it. So let's do that. As you can see, we're redirected to the Apple website where we can purchase this item. If we click on See Deal from the item we posted, we see that it also redirects us to the website we linked, where we or others can purchase the item. When we're finished, we can log out by clicking Log Out. Thank you for watching.